it's salty.
Be prepared to get sprayed.
Fine. I'm gonna call it holy.
Okay. So it's the there you go, you got your finger right on it. There's
You showed me enough
thousands of those, yeah, there's thousands of fractal fuses here again. However, you start to see some differences up there as well. Yeah, it's about it. Sometimes the wind helps.
These ones were just like kind of like, you know, when mold grows on your food, or like bacteria growing on something. And same with this. Get your hand in there again.
I think it's the Charnia.
It's Charnia?
I think so.
every summer solstice, I like to dip myself in water to cleanse, I suppose. And I'm gonna do it in the ocean this year. It's like 15 and it's raining and this is the North Atlantic and it's gonna be cold. But I refuse to leave St. John's and Newfoundland without sticking my feet and myself into some ocean. But I also hate seaweed vehemently with every ounce of my being. So this will be interesting. I also don't like being cold. That is cold.
So if you want to fill your pockets with rocks, use my arm. louder you all are, the better this is gonna sound. So, this excursion around the bay, you can clap your hands, stamp your feet, it goes a little something like this. Well, it was on this Monday morning, and the day becoming fine for a Harbor Grace excursion with the boys who have the time. And just before the sailor took the gangway from the pier, I saw some fella haul me wife aboard as a volunteer. Oh me, oh my, I heard me old wife cry. Oh me, oh my, I think I'm gonna die. Oh me, oh my, I heard me old wife say, I wish I'd never taken this excursion around the bay. My wife, she got no better, she turned a sickly green. I fed her cake and candy, fed pork and kerosene. I tried every place in Harbor Grace, tried every store and shop to get her something for a cure and take her to the hop. Oh me, oh my, I heard me old wife cry. Oh me, oh my, I think I'm gonna die. Oh me, oh my, I heard me old wife say, I wish I'd never taken this excursion around the bay. She died below the Brandies as we were coming back. We buried her in the ocean, wrapped up in a Union Jack. So now I am a single man in search of a pretty face. And the woman that says she'll have me, I'm off for Harbor Grace. Oh me, oh my, I heard me old wife cry. Oh me, oh my, I think I'm gonna die. Oh me, oh my, I heard me old wife say, I wish I'd never taken this excursion around the bay. Hey! Oh, thank you, thank you. Well, you all have excellent taste in music, I can tell you that. So as we're making our 1, 2, 3. Easy in the streets. So, indeed I is.
Indeed I is.
We all come. And long may your big Jim draw.
Your big Jim draw.
Give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. They say.
One quick shot, one quick
Hold the
shot.
lips over the gums. Look out, Bentley. Here she comes. Fire that in here. And now pump her up for Molly the Pumpkin. There we go. Oh, there we go. And last but not least,
That's what he must have meant.